Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new, or finished junk journal here that I'm going to do a quick little flip through. So these inserts I make myself with just random papers that I have, and I do have a tutorial that goes through how I put my journals together, so if you're curious about that, I will link that in the description below. And so here we go. So I always put too many papers in my inserts. I just can't hold back. So I always end up at the end with a few that are just, empty like this, because you can see it's getting pretty hefty, and at the end it becomes kind of a challenge to work in. So I like to, so I just leave a few things blank, and that's okay. So everything here is pretty random. This is a piece of vellum that I printed just a simple pattern on. I always like to include a couple of those. And then here we go. So these photos are from almost a year ago, I think, at this point. This is last Christmas. So I guess I'm maybe technically behind, but what does that even mean? So including little tags and things. Here is a tag on a tag, so that's a bit of an inception for you there. But I like to make my notebooks as interactive as possible. And a lot of these pages I do have process videos for if you're interested in a little more of my regular crafting process. You can just go back through my feed. I label all of them as junk journals, so you can go back and have a look at those if you're interested. Here I've got some sequins. Are these in this pocket? What's happening here? No, look, no, haha. That comes out. So this is just a random little shaker pocket that I made. And then I put it here. I used one of the vellum pages to create this pocket, so I just taped here on the side and on the bottom with some double-sided tape to create that. And I do often, I'll stick my pages together. That's another way to help decrease the bulk. So this is just a full sheet that I printed out. It's actually from my October 2018 Good Life collection, so it's an easy way to fill up a page. And here we've got another little pocket. Here's a pocket that I made and I never put anything in. Just another, this is another full printout that I did kind of towards the end when I'm losing steam on a journal. I'll just kind of go through and stick a bunch of stuff in. I really like how this page turned out here. This is a beautiful floral die cut. So yeah, here's another full page, just kind of filling things up. Some pages are more involved than others, and that's okay. So I think this little guy kind of pops out. You can have a look. Here's another empty pocket, just in case I get inspired to come back, put something in there. Alright, and then again here on the back I've stuck in another full printout. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.